Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, elegant and full of confidence. Many women think grey hair makes them look older, but that is not true. With the right haircut, grey hair can look stylish, modern and very graceful. Let's explore some amazing haircut ideas. First is the short layered haircut. This style is perfect if your hair feels thin or flat. Layers add volume and make your hair look fuller. It is also very easy to manage and style every day. Next is the classic bob cut. A bob cut is always in fashion. It gives a clean and neat look. You can keep it chin length or slightly longer. Grey hair looks very shiny and elegant in this style. Another great option is the pixie cut. This is a short and bold haircut. It is very easy to take care of and saves time. It also gives a fresh and modern look. Now let's talk about the shoulder length cut. If you don't like very short hair, this is a good choice. You can add soft layers or light waves. This makes your hair look soft and lively. You can also try the feathered haircut. This style gives a soft and light look. It frames your face nicely and adds volume and movement to your hair. It is perfect for a gentle and feminine style. Another beautiful idea is the curly grey hairstyle. If you have natural curls, embrace them. Curly grey hair looks unique and full of personality. Keep it shaped and well trimmed. Now let's talk about styling tips. Use a good shampoo and conditioner. Make grey hair. This helps keep your hair shiny and smooth. You can also use a light oil or serum to reduce dryness. Regular trimming is very important. It keeps your hair healthy and neat. If your hair is thin, go for layered cuts. If your hair is thick, you can try longer styles. Don't be afraid to try new looks. Grey hair is a sign of beauty and experience. You can style it in many different ways. Also choose a haircut that matches your lifestyle. If you want something simple, go for short layers. If you enjoy styling your hair, you can keep it a little longer. Most important thing is confidence. When you feel good, you look better, you look beautiful. So these were some easy and stylish grey haircut ideas for women over 50. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.